So this is the first problem for today's discussion. A hollow steel tube with an inside diameter of 100 mm must carry a tensile load of 40 kilonewtons. Determine the outside diameter of the tube if the stress is limited to 120 meganewton per meter squared. Round off your answer to a whole number. Okay, so class, if this is our tube, hollow man daw siya. Hollow steel tube. Unsa daw kuno? He must carry a tensile. So giinat siya. Nagtigkaisog naman karon chen. No? Hello, my friend. Now, if we're going to cut section din na class, if we're going to cut, ma-open ang iyang cross-sectional nga shape, nga circular siya in form, pero hollow lang siya, di ba? Lisura i-drawing ay. So, that is hollow ang iyang shape. Unsay requirement sa problem? The outside diameter. Since we are given class an inside diameter, 100 millimeters. Then, kaniyang ipangita, right? Si outside diameter. Now, let's denote this as capital D. Simple raman nga problem, oy. No, kani siya class, pang sample problem man siya, di mo ni pang quiz or pang set work ni siya nga level sa problem. Okay, so to solve for this one, it is under sa topic nga axially loaded bars. Gihapo na. Unsa tay formula gani sa axial stress or normal stress? Stress is equals to the force applied divided by the area. Diba? Simple. We are given a stress of 100 meganewtons per meter squared. This is still equivalent to 100 megapascal. Automatic na siya. Bisag dili na mo mag-convert ha. Equivalent na siya of 120 newton per mm squared. It is still equals to the force applied. Tensile load niya nga 400 kilonewtons. Convert that into newtons and then the unknown area. Now, give me the value of area. Base ani. Pilay value ni area. 3,000. Okay, 1/3. This is mm squared. Now, let's pay attention class to ang cross-sectional shape. It is a hollow, right? Now, diba sa example sa to class, the area for a hollow section, that is area is equals to the circular man pi over 4 times the outer diameter squared minus the inner diameter squared. This is the formula, diba? Basta hollow. And then kanya to after the outer diameter. The area that is being 3,333.33 is equals to pi over 4 times the unknown diameter squared minus 100 mm squared. Now, give me the value of the inner diameter. The result is 119.35 mm. Take note, this is not yet the answer, students, because we are required that you must round off your answer to a whole number. This is not yet a whole number, right? So, is it round down or round up? Pila answer ninyo? 119, and then you're wrong. The answer class is 120 mm. Now, this is the answer. Good. You know the reason why nga nganong kani ang answer? Do you know the reason why nga nganong kana ang answer? Let's try to check it sa kaning limiting stress because we are given a limiting stress. Diba? Let's say for example, 400,000 divided by pi over 4. Diba, ang inyong answer is 119? 119 squared minus 100 square. Now, give me the value. Pila stress, ana? 122 megapascal. So, that means, ni-break siya sa atong limiting stress. Nilapas ka. Pasabot, pag mulapas ka, mo-break imong material. Diba, I have uploaded a video. Hello, my friend. Di malipat ha? Regarding nga ako na siyang gi-focus nga dapat para masabtan nimo nga okay mong diameter is imo gisang I think that's number 7 or number 6 nga imo gid siyang i-check sa limiting stress. Now let's try 120. 400,000 divided by pi over 4 times 120 squared minus 100 square. Pila ni siya? Only 115 megapascal, and then this is the answer. This is the correct answer, 120. Pag 119 ang answer, wrong siya ha. Kaya break man ka sa stress nimo, mabitaw. The problem class is very simple. Asa ang trick sa problem nga kung gihatag kanira? Round off your answer kay sa board exam class actually apa na ning gisulti no? Sa board exam daghan din ang ma-GG ani. Kay magtuo ka nga sakto imong answer. Ang sample na class no if mo na imong answer. Then ang choices sa board exam class is 119 and 120. Daghan gyud mo pili og 119. Kay naanad man taw round down, round up, di ba? Pero sa strength of materials class, you should base it to the limiting stress. Kaya dapat kaya sa imong material. Kay strength good na sa materials, di ba? Di malipat ha. Simple. Pag di gani kaya sa stress sa material class, it will burst, it will break, mo cause siya rupture, and then it will result to a failure. So nang ma-fail mo. Di ba mga kasibilyan? So the correct answer class is 120 millimeters.